Hello everyone, my name is Maira. I'm a fellow from the EpiSeedLink consortium. I'm a Brazilian and I'm a PhD student from the University of Amsterdam in the Netherlands. Well, let's first start with a short story. You are in a very crowded city center in a very hot day. You have been walking for hours and you are already quite sweaty. Then you see an ice cream shop. The ice cream shop not only has your favorite brand and flavors, but is also quite cheap. To complete, it also has AC. In this hot and crowded environment, you are attracted to the ice cream shop, and you cannot resist but enter the shop. After your ice cream and a short rest, you go to face the heat again. 30 minutes later, you are feeling thirsty. Looking around, you see a shop selling iced coconut water, and your eyes cannot move from the shop anymore. You are attracted to the coconut water shop, and you cannot resist but enter the shop. At the end of the day, you return home and notice that because of the hot weather, you were attracted to the ice cream shop, coconut shop, juice shop, milkshake shop, and so many others that sell cold beverages. And why I'm telling you this story? Well, if you consider the cell as a city, the nucleus is the city center of a cell. It's very crowded and full of activities happening at the same time. Inside the nuclei, there are very special proteins. These proteins walk in the crowded nuclei and are attracted to specific parts of the DNA. Like you are attracted to the shops that sell ice cream and coconut water in a hot day, these proteins are attracted to specific pieces of DNA. If your friend asks you, "What did you do in this hot day?" you will tell them all the shops you were attracted to that sell the cold beverage. One of my research topic questions are, where does these special proteins in the nuclei are attracted to? Which are the pieces of DNA that attract them? And I ask this question in a very specific situation. If a plant is in a situation with lack of water, because of poor rain, for example, they cannot run and look for water. So, they need to have mechanisms to survive in this dry environment. One of the mechanisms or methods is to have these special proteins to attach to the place they are attracted to and start making the cell respond correctly to this dry environment. So, when the plant senses that it lacks water, these proteins bind to specific parts or sequence of DNA and they help regulate the expression of genes associated to drought tolerance. As a result, the plant can cope with the drought stress. Therefore, my research question is, if a plant is in a situation that there is lack of water, where does these special proteins in the nuclei are attracted to? Which are the pieces of DNA that attract them? These pieces of DNA are known as cis-regulatory elements. Cis because they are part of the DNA, regulatory because they help in the expression of genes, and elements because they are one of many pieces of DNA that helps regulate a gene. So, the title of my PhD project is Identifying Cis-regulatory Elements Associated with Drought Stress in Canola, which is the plant I work with. Researching this, we can understand how plants survive in a dry weather, and we may find methods to help them in similar situations.
I hope you enjoyed this video and check the other videos of our consortium. See you!